Welcome to this clear and step-by-step tutorial designed to help you determine if a particular website is built using a popular content management system. In this guide, you will learn a quick method that takes only minutes. To begin with, start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the website that you suspect might have been built using this popular platform. It is important that you have the complete website loaded in your browser so you can easily interact with it. Once you are on the website, direct your attention to one of the images displayed on the page. Position your cursor over any image you come across, and then click the right mouse button. This action will bring up a context menu that provides you with various options related to the image. The context menu is an essential tool in this process because it grants you access to additional details stored behind each image. After the context menu appears, look for the option that allows you to open the image in a new tab. Selecting this option will create a new browser tab where the image is displayed on its own. Doing so is beneficial because it separates the image URL from the rest of the website structure, making it easier for you to inspect the underlying code and file paths associated with the website. With the image now open in a different tab, direct your attention to the browser's address bar. The address bar displays the complete URL that points to the image file. Carefully examine this URL for key terms that are common among websites built with this content management system. In particular, look for the text WP content or any similar indication. This specific term is a strong hint because it is part of the file structure used by this platform to store images, themes, plugins, and other media files. When you spot this text in the URL, it is a clear sign that the website employs this content management system infrastructure. As you follow this method, remember that the process is not only effective but also very straightforward. Each action serves a clear purpose: visiting the site, interacting with a website element, isolating the media file, and then inspecting the resulting URL. These actions work together to give you confidence about whether the website utilizes this particular system. This approach is reliable and does not require any special software or technical expertise, making it accessible to everyone. It is ideal for anyone with even a basic level of computer proficiency who wants to know more about how websites are constructed. By following these instructions, you will be well equipped to identify key elements that indicate the use of this popular content management system. In summary, start by visiting the website you suspect has been built using this system, then find an image on the page and right-click to access a context menu. Choose to open the image in a new browser tab, and after that, inspect the URL in the address bar for the telltale indication of WP content. This systematic approach will help you confidently determine if the website is built on this platform. Enjoy exploring and learning more about the structure of websites with this useful technique.